All right, so this is part of this course. You're going to be doing some mock interviews, actually just one mock interview, and it needs to be done by a due date, which I'll put on the announcement page. So make sure you review that, and that'll go out as an email too. But basically, what you're going to be doing is scheduling your mock interview. So you're going to contact the transfer and placement office, and here's the phone number over here. And this is all located in the learning plan section. So if you click on learning plans and then you scroll all the way down, this will be available to you. It says mock interview assignments. It'll say sign up for mock interviews, so you'll contact the transfer and placement office to schedule that. In the meantime, and you are graded on this, so there are points involved, and each section shows you how many points you'll get. So just signing up for your mock interview, you'll receive 5 points for that. You have to do a little bit of research on the agency that you're going to be mock interviewing with. Mock interviews are actually going to be set up that you can do them from your home. So the way that works is you're going to have, I believe, this is a pilot program, so I may not have this 100% right, but the way I understand it is that there will be a recording of the agency delivering interview questions to you, and then you have to record yourself via webcam answering those questions, and then you're going to submit that to me. All right, so, and you're also going to be doing some research on the agency you're going to be interviewing with, so you just need to complete this form right here, business research. Send that to me for 10 points. You need to complete a cover letter and a resume. And so you will need to, when you schedule your mock interview, they're going to ask you to send over a cover letter and resume, so make sure you have that, and they can help you with that as well. The transfer and placement. So it's the 803-1797, which should be the same number up here. Yep. Okay. So you need to put together your cover letter and resume. That's worth 20 points each for your cover letter and for your resume. And then when you complete your mock interview, you'll receive 5 points for having your cover letter, for your resume, and for doing the actual mock interview. And then you'll submit a thank you note to the agency, and that's worth 10 points. Now, how we do that, I think transfer and placement will give you a better idea of how we'll handle that in terms of whether we send an email or if it's an actual thank you note. Again, this is a pilot type program for the virtual college to help people prepare for when they start interviewing for companies in the human services field. And then the mock interview reflection, and this is worth 30 points. So there's not specific guidelines in terms of how many pages or paragraphs, but I'm going to tell you that you should be spending some time on this. It's worth quite a few points, 30 points. So you want to include the feedback that you received from the interview, how you feel the interview went, and your thoughts on how you can make improvements. All right, so I think that at least a page and a half is fair for full point consideration. So that is the mock interview section of the learning plans for this course. And each assignment has a point value assigned to it, so make sure you're completing all of these. You're going to be working with the transfer and placement office, and you're going to be working with me as well. I'm going to be giving you the actual grade for each of the sections that you complete, and the transfer and placement office will be giving you direction on how to set up your mock interview, how to conduct your mock interview, how to create or improve your resume and cover letter, and then the thank you note and your reflection. All right, so this will be available to you in the learning plan section. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me either via email or contact me by phone. And I look forward to it. So if you have any questions, let me know.